Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating, drumroll please, funnel cakes inspired by Magic Kingdom's Sleepy Hollow. So the ingredients that we'll be using today are pancake mix, we have corn oil, or you can use vegetable oil if you like, confectioner's sugar, and finally 1 cup of water. So as soon as we have all the ingredients mixed together, we will be going to the next step of frying. And like always, I'm going to provide you with the process and the final outcomes out of it. So please, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more. Enjoy! Alright, so I am very proud of my work. This looks amazing. And then I created another one, which is only, strawberries. And then if you wanted to add any ice cream, you can do so as well. But in this case, I may grab just a hint of ice cream and then try it, but oh my goodness. Obviously, I'm not gonna eat all of this, but this looks amazing. Okay, let me cut this. I'm gonna eat it with my hands. Okay, here's. It tastes just like the carnival funnel cakes. Less the grease, because this doesn't feel greasy at all. It only took 4 or 5 minutes to do all of this. This is amazing. Okay, let me try it with the strawberries. Oh my goodness, this is so good. And it's just so warm. It doesn't feel greasy at all. Like the funnel cakes you sell you at the carnivals, nothing at all. It just tastes better, honestly. Homemade things are much better. Okay. So I'm gonna add the strawberry and then just a piece of funnel cake. So, This is amazing. I'm sorry. This is amazing, amazing. Okay, I'm gonna try it just with a hint of my ice cream, and then. Okay, I like it more with the ice cream, plus the strawberries, everything, the full pack. I promise you, this is so easy to make. It's less greasy. Like you can't feel the grease at all. You make sure to take a piece of paper and then just tap it and remove all of the excess oil. But that is enough. Well, I am going to say that this is a success. It is much better than the carnival funnel cakes like I mentioned. This is amazing. I absolutely love it. If you have pancake mix at your home, make sure to grab that and just make the mix, fry it, and that's all. That is all. Simple as that. So please, if you decide to make this at home, like always, please comment down below, because I would love to hear your feedback. So I do hope you guys enjoyed my video. I am going to take a few more bites out of this, and then I'm gonna call my boyfriend for backup because he will absolutely love this. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.